Now that you have fun to create a storybooks, you have also the possibility to give a live action of your stories, and is using the features create a video. I can create the same stories book as video and see how it will be created. Remember, Gemini have a limitation of how many video you can do based on your plan, but there is a solution. Flow is an experimental product from Google Labs. It's a different department that create experimental features. These features won't be always available, but this allow you to create for free using the latest model. While we are generating the video, I will show how to access to Flow. Visit flow.google.com. Oops, no, wrong. So it's Flow Google. And yes, it's inside the labs of Google. It's available in some country. I'm sure I can try now. So you need to sign up with your account Google. And here you will see that there is new feature. So if you use the old model, make longer video, while the new model is using less minutes. In this case, you can see some of the content created, and in my case, I create one. Be ready to give a lot of details, and this is important. When you create, you need to give a good description of what you want. In this case, I ask for a shining knife from a medieval time. It's working in the forest, and hear a roar from the sky. He just see a shadow of a dragon and some smoke. He starts to run outside the forest to see the dark mountains red by the cloud and thunders. In 1 second, red gigantic dragons appear from the mountain, fly over the knife direction. Okay, the video cannot be longer because it's 8-10 seconds, but I try to give more details, and as you can see, Flow gave me 2 prompts. One, I already don't like how looks like the knife, but this is why I chose clay style animation, you know, the stop motion and how child look like in the past, some cartoon. Hey, here is the generation. As you can see, the prompt of cutting the head of the dragon is not perfect. So this prompt is not my favorite. Even the knife looks a little bit strange, but can be more funny for child's side. Here is like more realistic, but the appearance of the dragon and the killing is still the same. These are initial prompts, so you need to select which one you want, and then you need to improve the prompt. So let's see if the generation is improved. Better result, and you can see 8-10 seconds is what you can have it. But as you can see in the bottom, you can create an expansion of the video. Expand. So here is basically to not expand the same video, but to create a new one with some gems, I would say, film noir, cinematic, action figures, and this is the styles I chose. But it's a good model to start something that children can like. Let me know what you think, and remember, on Google Gemini app you have 3 to 5 attempts. After that you need to wait 24 hours. Here I don't see any limit, but the problem is I'm in the Pro subscription, and there is a credit, so I should be available for everyone. So try and see what you can create. Going back here, you will see remove or add to a scene. This will allow you to continue to make like the continuation of the animation. You click on that and you switch in the scenes builder. So you can extend, as you can see what will happen next. Let's see what he will generate. As you can see, you can expand. I was mistakenly thinking I cannot, but I need to use the science builder in order to continue. So we are using VEO 3.1 in quality. It's quite fast, I will say, but I'm quite curious to see how he will connect the scenes, or he will create a new one, or he will follow the previous prompt. So we are watching together because I didn't test. Oh, it was generated immediately. As you can see, yes, you need to maintain the same style. You need to write in the prompt, otherwise it will change completely. The knife is already the king, and the king is not really happy. But well, whatever. Here you can see my previous attempts that I did in Gemini. They were different styles, but as you can see, the prompt was not perfect. Sorry, if you hear the audio now, it'll be gone. Here was my first attempt when I did in Gemini instead of Flow. You need to see how the prompts get not explained well, because I use wax soldier. In this case, use a soldier from Napoleon time. And the video is really short, not too much details. It's just a dragon, some fire, and a wax soldier get melted. Still nice. Here I try to improve the same workflow to give more details, and as you can see, it's pretty good. I think changing too much location is something difficult for VEO, but probably is the style. I try to see if I can use an extension, but it creates a different video. It's not possible to create a continuation of the same one. So if you want to create a movie, it would be quite difficult, but you can try. I like the fire making cotton. And this was like, oops, yeah, I crashed the tab, just a second, opla. Here we go. This was the last two attempts. No description of the style or anything. I can see a mock file, detail escape open field. I didn't say wanting clay or cartoon styles. And I feel it's like an ad for some app game on Android. Just missed the name of the app. Probably block here to avoid the crash again. And here I try to make it look like a cartoon someone is watching. Because this prompt got no accept in this one, but here. A lot of spaghetti from the dragon. As you can see, after, when you reach the limit, he will tell you how many you can generate more on the same day. So enjoy to create new content. And remember, if you create content for YouTube, to flag is AI generate. And before we forget, we have also the one I just generated at the beginning of this video that is available now.
I am the greatest hero this land has ever known. I only do good deeds.
But the book says you're the evil monster App Store.
I like, because he wrote the text correctly. Really nice. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Please put a like, leave a comment and subscribe.